Now, the MER mission objective was to travel about a third of a mile, in a 90-day mission, taking perhaps dozens of photographs and learning something about the history of water on Mars. In an extended mission over an unimaginable 8 years, we have traveled over 25 miles and taken almost 300,000 images and spectral scans. The science itself could fill a textbook. Now, with a somewhat elderly craft, we have arrived with opportunity at a deep crater 14 miles wide called Endeavour, with clay soils and new layers to investigate. Using high-resolution images and scans from orbit, we've identified interesting mineralogy. And after this Martian winter, we will set a course for Solander Point. Opportunity will almost certainly spend its last days or years here. The next Mars rover, a relative of MER, is on her way to land in Gale Crater in early August. If we're successful, we will climb and explore its central mound over several years. It's actually a mountain towering 3 miles high over the landing site on the floor of the crater, and it's been built up for perhaps 2 billion years. NASA calls this rover the Mars Science Laboratory, or MSL. It's loaded with new instruments and weighs about a metric ton, 5 times MER. Perhaps with the name Science Laboratory instead of robotic geologist, the MER experience has clarified the true nature of these spacecraft as tools for the scientists. And perhaps this time they'll place themselves more publicly in the driver's seat. But you can be sure there will be more poetry. Like spirit and opportunity, MSL has been personified by a nickname. They call her Curiosity. And you can guess how that will play out.